Spectacular.
Good. Here we are coming up to another water crossing. Usually flooded over due to beavers. Canadian beavers, of course. It gets really deep up here, you might want to take it slow. Yeah! Woohoo! I just whacked my head. Oh yeah! Whoa, yeah, that's a tree. Then we'll head up that hill there. Do a little rock climb. Take that behind us.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh yeah.
I think good shot actually.
Yeah, if I stood here and you want to do that?
No.
Alright, now we're going up some rocks. Beauty. A little slippery. There we go. Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! So close! Y'all can hop out, take some footage of this?
Yeah.